Newspapers and TV news won't tell you this. Sounds like clickbait, but you know me. If I'm writing something like this, there is a serious problem. They should be talking about it every single day, TV news and newspapers. There is a revolution happening and nobody's covering it. And it's coming like a tsunami. See these people. We're inside an Indian clothing factory and every single worker has a camera on their head. They are training the AI that will power humanoid robots. Robots that will learn to do exactly what these workers do. Intelligent robots with AI can learn any manual job the same way ChatGPT learned to write everything. So ChatGPT and the others copied what we humans wrote for thousands of years, and now robots are copying what we have done for thousands of years. And they will be just as good at it as AI is already good at writing text and sounding intelligent. Elon Musk has post-production of some car models to go all in on intelligent humanoid robots. They will be in our homes, our restaurants, our bars, our factories. They don't get tired and they never sleep. They go recharge their own batteries. If one breaks, other robots fix it. A tsunami we need to face. I'm sure there will be a way through, just like there was with previous revolutions. But you see how it's not possible that I'm the only one talking about this constantly, while newspaper and TV news cover society gossip that means absolutely nothing. The clickbait title, yes, it grabs clicks, but for a good reason. Share this video with everyone you know.